It is a privilege for EMRC to host this workshop at Osmania University under the able guidance of our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor Kumar Mulugaram sir, and with valuable support from our Director, Consortium for Educational Communication, New Delhi, Professor Jagat Bhushan Nadda sir. In our country, the Swayam portal under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, has been instrumental in making high quality educational content available to millions of learners. However, to maximize the potential of MOOCs, we must continuously innovate and improve their effectiveness. This is precisely the objective of our workshop. I urge all participants to actively engage, share their insights, and make the most of these learning opportunities. For teachers and educators, this workshop is more than just a platform for learning. It is a stepping stone toward mastering the digital frontier. In today's educational landscape, where online learning is no longer optional but essential, it is our responsibility to equip ourselves with the right tools and methodologies. I hope the knowledge gained here will empower educators to create more engaging, effective, and inclusive MOOCs, ultimately benefiting thousands and lakhs of learners across the country.
Of education has undergone a tremendous transformation in the last few decades. The rise of digital technologies has radically reshaped how we learn, teach, and interact with knowledge. MOOCs has become one of the most influential educational innovations of our time, opening up opportunities for learners across the globe. It allows us to break many barriers and bring quality education to the most remote corners of the world. However, alongside their immense potential, there is a responsibility to make sure these platforms are engaging, effective, and accessible to all. Such workshops helps to explore the latest tools and strategies that can elevate the learning experience and maximize the benefits of MOOCs for both educators and learners. Every learner gets the attention they need. However, tools alone cannot make MOOCs effective unless they are supported by strong teaching methods and strategies. So here, the emphasis should be on learner-centered approaches which are essential in keeping learners motivated and engaged in an online environment. Additionally, personalized learning powered by AI and machine learning allow courses to adapt based on individual learner needs, ensuring that no student is left behind. While the potential of MOOCs is immense, it is crucial to acknowledge the challenges as well. Hence, I feel that such workshops provides an excellent opportunity to collaborate and learn from each other.
Now, two students are comparing not only one professor with the other professor. Students are comparing professors with online professors. So whatever the content which is developed by the professors throughout the globe, not only in India. Now, we have a challenge how to attract the students into the classrooms. This is the biggest challenge to the professors or the teachers. Now, the another important point is, how many teachers are into MOOCs? How many teachers are completed MOOCs programs as a student? And how many teachers are framed the MOOCs modules? Now, the teachers are from the Osmania University. They are already creating a different MOOCs lessons in their own discipline. Like there are so many challenges. If we want to stand, if we want to attract the students in the future, now it is very challenge. The important thing is you must try to learn and update. If we learn and update, we are there in the classroom. Otherwise, we are nowhere in the classroom. Thank you very much.
There were a lot of dropouts from the school to college when they come, and they don't continue their education. That is why, along with SWAYAM, the government has now started SWAYAM Plus. And this SWAYAM Plus is all about skills. Now we are talking about a situation wherein because a student what he wants is today is one, a degree, and the second is employment. Now both, if it has to come, then probably there has to be some mechanism of developing skills amongst people. And that is why Swayam Plus. Nonetheless, when we are talking about Swayam here and we are talking about artificial intelligence, this new challenge government has taken up, that the gross enrollment ratio has to be raised from 28.4% to 50% at least. Interestingly, in CEC, we have no teacher on roll. And if at all the course is not very good, then I think the teachers appointed, I also being one of them, right? Maybe there is a problem there somewhere. With artificial intelligence coming in, the language barrier has gone. You can translate in any language that you want. So the first brick of digital education, friends, you are going to lay. And take pride in this for generations. Lot of things may happen, lot of improvements will take place. You will improve things, the younger generation will improve it, and good MOOCs will come out from universities and colleges and CEC much better than what we are doing now. But with this, take pride that you are laying the first brick as far as digital education in this country is concerned.
How we can mold this young country or youth population? What kind of education we have to give? When I say education, friends, it is again reminded me that India has the global responsibility in the years to come. I said again, I am repeating, what kind of responsibility we have as a nation? Our responsibility is to supply manpower to the global society. We have to supply manpower to the global society. When I say manpower, skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled, super skilled, all kind of manpower we have to supply, because if you look at some of the countries, aging population, there are a lot of challenges. That's why I always say that, our competition today, not with you are competing with your friend. No, we have to have a competition with the globe. Today global competition is there. Global requirements we have to look. Global, syllabus we have to say. If India has to shine, India has to take this responsibility of, being a developed country or, responsible country in the world. Definitely the education is going to play important role. And part of the education, I can tell you again, digital education or a digital thing.